When working in Illustrator, it can be really handy to rotate your canvas to a more comfortable drawing angle while you work. Here's how to do that. You can find the Rotate View tool under the Hand Tool menu. If you click and hold, a little flyout menu will appear, and the Rotate View tool is the second tool in this menu. Alternately, you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift-H to grab that tool. Once you have it selected, click and drag on your canvas, and you'll see a widget pop up to identify what angle the canvas is now at. You can also hold down Shift to constrain the angle to 5-degree snaps. When you have the tool selected, you'll see a context menu that appears in the status bar at the bottom with a flyout menu here where you can select an exact angle for your canvas. If you'd like to quickly reset the angle of your canvas to 0 degrees or base, you can double-click on the tool in the toolbar and you're instantly back to 0. If you're working with your grids turned on, they will also rotate when you're using the Rotate View tool. If you have your rulers turned on and you drag a guide out like you normally would, these will also match the angle of your artboard. You should note that this doesn't actually change any dimensions of your artboard. This is strictly just your view as you're working. One more quick tip for working with this tool. If you want to quickly toggle between, say, your Selection tool and the Rotate View tool, you can hold Shift and Space to quickly grab that tool, move your canvas, and when you let go, you'll be back to the tool that you were using.